Okay, so butterfly knife. Not a toy, it's a weapon. Everyone uses weapons differently. I'm just gonna show you a few ways to open it. First of all, this is the bite handle, one with a little latch. You don't use that side. It's connected to the sharp end. Standard open. Slower. Variation on that, from here, let it go to here. Then you end up with a pen grip. Pen grip. Or you can go full on reverse grip. Speaking of reverse grip, that is my favorite opening. It's so fast. So this one, we have a reverse grip. The latch, you grab with these two fingers. All you're gonna do is yank with these two fingers toward yourself. It automatically twists, blade facing forward.